thanks Johan for being here with us to answer to some questions. As a company focused on chatbots and conversational AI, what contribution do you aim to have on this project?
Thanks for having me. We are happy to be part of the inTent project. As you mentioned, we are a chatbot conversational AI company, and our role in inTent is to develop the inChat solution. This is basically the tool which is closest to the user. The user will specify its requirements, objectives, actually intents in natural language, and our role is to basically translate that natural language into something more formal that will be pushed down through the intent solution to the other tools.
Onlim is providing chatbot solutions to various service sectors. Can you name a few of them?
What we are building is let's say, domain-independent solution. This can be applied in several domains. Actually, we started with building chatbots for the touristic domain. This is how we got into this conversational AI business. But our solution, as I mentioned before, is independent. So we are currently having customers from various verticals, including manufacturing, including retails, banking, ticketing system.
What is the main role of the inChat tool for which Onlim is responsible for?
We are basically the interface, so the tool that is facing the human. The human will specify what he needs in natural language, and our role is to translate that into let's say, a more formal intent that will be solved afterwards by the entire intent solution. And here there are different approaches to do that. We already have the technology in place to, let's say, query or to formalize intents using semantic technology to search for that, then to use somehow knowledge graphs combined with LLMs, RAG approaches to basically make this conversation very smooth and easy for the user.
Throughout the project, Onlim will collaborate with various intent partners. What key insights or experience are you hoping to gain from these interactions?
Yeah, so as you mentioned, basically we are integrating with other solutions. Specifically, we collaborate with the inGraph, with the inSwitch. So with the inGraph, of course, we have a lot of experience in modeling and building knowledge graphs, but it's good to basically get a different perspective on how this can be done and how flexible is our inChat solution to consume such data. For the inSwitch as well, we try to see how we can leverage more or less this generation of let's say, lower formats that inSwitch is going to provide. And of course, we are also very much interested in, let's say, the lower tools like inNet and in orchestration, which are basically using very specific formats. So it's kind of a new field for us. We are pushing also our conversational AI to be more flexible and usable in this type of continuum management.
How do you think incorporating intent techniques into your current technology portfolio will impact your chances to enter in new markets?
I think what we are trying to develop here in inTent, it's very innovative and is pushing boundaries with respect to research and innovation. I'm sure we will achieve some great setup. And we would be also interested to use that internally for our infrastructure. So basically, I can imagine that we could use some of the intent tools basically to streamline and to configure the servers or the resources that we currently use for the conversational AI platform. That would be one aspect, which of course will help us to scale and also expand to other markets. Currently we are active more in the German-speaking countries, but I guess having a solution which is flexible based on the concepts, methods and tools developed in inTent will help us to scale and to expand to other geographical markets.